in El Paso, Texas. Apparently, it is a border town. We are going to go and explore the border. I have a 3-hour window to spend, so we're gonna go check out the border, El Paso border. Got water for 99 cents. Pretty good deal, huh? I'm taking the less busy route. They are basically 3-4 streets that are parallel that head right to the border. The border looks like is separated between a bridge, a huge bridge. I'm going to show you guys. I don't know if you can see that far back, but I'll show it again when I get closer. Looks like there's a huge bridge, so we're gonna see. Check out all the cool stores. I don't know if it's because it's a border town, but they got a lot of great deals for stuff. 2 souls. Yes, sir. We're getting closer. There's a lot of like shopping stuff. I'll on our way back, I will head towards the busier streets to show you guys all the cool stores and great deals that they have here. For real, the prices here is pretty reasonable, man, for a border town. Oh yeah, I can definitely see the border from here. There are traffic lights here for the sidewalks. They don't have the button to press. It's just automatic. So I guess Texas is just different, huh? Okay, we're getting really close. I can definitely see. Yeah, this is definitely a border. Alright, I did not know El Paso was a border town, man. I've actually been here before, but apparently it is a border town. I can definitely see a border. Separated by a huge bridge. Can you guys see? These are cars actually crossing over to Mexico. I forgot the name of the town in Mexico. Yeah. Oops. Excuse me. Yeah, this is definitely one of the entrances to Mexico. Pretty awesome, huh? Yeah, I'm loving it. It's crazy. I had no idea this is like a border town. It's like amazing. Damn, did you guys know El Paso was a border town? I had no clue. I guess I need to start taking a closer look at the maps, huh? Okay. I'm walking over to a different street called Mesa Street. Who from El Paso knows Mesa Street? Do you guys see downtown El Paso? Apparently, is that downtown? Or just another random side of the town? Looks like downtown. I wouldn't imagine a downtown being in proximity to the border though. Probably not, huh? All right, we are crossing. Take a swig of this H2O. It is hot out today. In El Paso, Texas. Feels like about, we will say, I'll say 85. Between 80 and 85 burr. You feel me? Have you guys been to El Paso? My bad, guys. I should have made a video about on Nogales. I was there a couple of days ago, but I think I've made one already. So if you guys go back, you can find it. Nogales is pretty cool too. Border town. Awesome stuff around there. If you guys are looking for just pretty much anything in fair amount of pricing, so whether it's like dental work or health products or some kind of weird procedures, they definitely have the best prices and their competence too. They're pretty good. They're good at what they do. A lot of them are actually trained in America, so their standards is pretty good. And there's people from all over America going to Nogales for different various type of dental procedures. I've even seen like skin procedures and so many things that may not be financially feasible for somebody in America. Nogales is definitely an option for something that you need done, but you're unable to afford it due to astronomical prices. Explore Nogales. I don't know about this side of Mexico, between Mexico and El Paso. I haven't gotten a chance to actually cross over to Mexico, so I'm gonna have to do that one of these days. My bad, you guys are probably getting destroyed by the sun, huh? It's shiny out here. Sun's bright. Beautiful day in El Paso. You guys want to see where I'm at now? Yes, sir. Do you guys know what menudo soup is? Seems to be pretty popular over here. More H2O. Alrighty guys, I wanted to show you guys the busy side of the street, but I think I went the wrong way. So, my bad. I actually was there earlier today, but I just forgot to record it. I wanted to show you guys what El Paso looks like. So I'm gonna have to make another video soon. Yay! Okay, where in the world am I at?